I'm at Popeyes getting a chicken sandwich. It's Friday, so I'm splurging. Gonna have with some gas. I think we'll talk about. I need to go to the gym probably after work. But if you're just getting here, welcome to my channel, Countess Forever. And I'm at lunch, on my lunch break. Get some ketchup. Yeah, and I don't really need it.
What was that?
Thank you. Oh, I should give me my drink. Oh my Lord. Yeah, that's right. It's a sandwich. I can say this time, this go around, a whole lot better as far as service. But it's like they open at 10:30 and it's 10:56. So I think I may have waited in line a total of 10 minutes. If that, not even 10 minutes. So now I'm going to go somewhere and eat. Last time I waited almost an hour. It was a quite wait. And it was really good. So I'm going to see about how it is this time. See if they've gotten better or see if they've gotten worse. We shall see. But I've been hungry all morning. I mean, I brought lunch, but I kind of talked myself into doing this. And all I've eaten so far is maybe a handful of grapes and a handful of pretzels. And I had some coffee this morning. And you know how I am with my food. After I eat this, I'm done for the day as far as eating anything. So that way I won't go over my calories. Not that I'm really counting calories. Well, not really counting, but I track, you know. But let me get into this. Oh, it feels still like it's still big. I did not know. I gotta pull over because the way this bag looking, I didn't know they give you this full box of French fries. What the hell is Popeyes trying to do to people? Like, oh my goodness. I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but you know, I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and I've been really craving and wanting the same thing. The meaning craving and wanting is kind of like the same thing. I've been really wanting this. So let me see what's in this fry bag. The meal was 600. Oh no, well it looks like a lot. They just put the fries in a box, you know. In Jesus' name. Look at that. I'm just skiing. But we're gonna try this though. Let me show y'all. My word. Look at all this. Those that don't know. See that? That's all breast. All breast. Then it has, I'm gonna show you. This is a soft, it's toasted, male on the bun. And it has, I'm gonna show you the other side. Only because I love y'all. Got me dismantling my sandwich. They gave me one pickle. Let me see the size of the chicken. Normally, only for y'all will I do this. But normally I eat all my fries first. If you see my last video, that is how I eat my food. And the only reason I'm doing it now because of the way this camera's set up. I can't really go in and edit like I want to. And I'm at work. But I'm going to try to get this uploaded today. So we're going to take the first bite. There it is. The infamous Popeyes chicken sandwich. Dressed as given to me. I got to get my mouth over this concoction here. So no judgment about how big my mouth gets. Okay. Okay. It's good. But it tastes like seafood batter. That's the inside. Very moist. Very crunchy. That's all I got to say about it. Quick service. But still, you know, it still has not topped Chick-fil-A. But it's worth it. For lunch on a Friday. I say a Friday because it's like the weekend's coming up and it's, you know, you're getting ready to enjoy. So why not? Here's to the weekend. Oh. So, it's really good. Whew. Really good. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Only reason I'm leaving right now because I'm not gonna eat the whole sandwich. I'm gonna get ready to get back to my fries. And I did get a drink with it because I got the combo. And it's Diet Pepsi. So I'm gonna finish my lunch.